tell me what your connection is with music and Deep Ellum?
Deep Ellum is like, again, it's like homecoming for us. It's kind of where we started and really got an opportunity to kind of groom ourselves. And so, you know, that, and I've been on the Deep Ellum festivals here as well. I work with Deep Ellum Radio and everything. So Deep Ellum is like, it's home, man, it's home. So, I mean, I'm in love with the area, the scene, the musicians, the vibe, everything.
What genre would you classify yourself in?
You know what? A lot of people classify what I do as funk, kind of, but it's more of a funk rock. And I've actually like taken several elements and kind of, you know, thrown them into the pot. It's kind of like a gumbo, if you will, of styles. Because I'll use a little funk, I'll use a little rock, some electronic dance, or even hip hop. So you're kind of just gonna get a whole bunch of that. You saw it, so you know. I'm a huge fan of rock music. I'm a huge fan of funk music. Also, just all kinds of genres. So what my main goal, just as a musician, was how do I take the things that I love and fuse them together and make them work. So that's really what you heard, and that's really the vibe that when we hit the stage or when I'm creating music and writing or whatever, producing, that's what it is. I try to take these elements and I try to say, hey, can I make these work? You know, we all want to be appreciated. And amongst our peers especially, everything we do is art. And so any artist that can appreciate what I do or I appreciate what they do, we appreciate that because it's why we do it. When that's recognized and acknowledged and appreciated, it means the world.